Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix. There was a problem with Nvidia application. States relaunch your app. If that doesn't work, you need to reinstall and reboot your PC. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually these error occur due to the application uh, problem over the device manager. So you need to open your device manager and you need to update the app. Just right click the Nvidia and update the app, or else you need to uninstall the application, and then you need to enter into the action and scan for hardware change to install it. So sometimes it may ask, and rather than in some other case it won't ask to update or install. So what you need to do is you need to enter into the settings, and over there on the Windows update, check for an update. If the application is not installed, it shows over here to update or install. So once it's done, please close it. If in case it's not work, please open your Chrome or else your browser, any one of the browser, and type Nvidia driver download, and you can download over your browser and you can install manually. Here you can download your automatic driver updates, or you can install your manual driver search and download and install the driver manually. So once this done, our next step is to enter into the services. Over there you need to double tap the NVIDIA display container, NVIDIA framework, and NVIDIA local system. Just double tap the NVIDIA driver and you need to enable it as automatic, and then click apply and then click start. Based on that, you need to do for all the three, like NVIDIA framework and NVIDIA local system container. And now it's an automatic and it's running. So our NVIDIA local system container is already its running state. So please click OK, or else you can stop and then you can start to re-enable it. So same as for frame view. Over here you need to start the frame view and then click apply and then click OK. Yeah. Once this is done, please close it and you need to reboot or restart your PC. Once you restarted your PC, please try to open your NVIDIA graphics. So I'm sure searching for NVIDIA. Yeah, now I think it's running perfectly. Please open the control panel as well as the NVIDIA application, whether it's running both or running perfectly to see. NVIDIA application. Yeah guys, now the issue is solved. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe, click